lovies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I come to do this really glamorous and classic look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's begin. So let's begin. I'm gonna start applying this eyeshadow base by NYX. This is in the color Noir. It's a black eyeshadow base. I'm gonna use this brush to apply and I'm gonna start applying in my outer corner. I'm gonna also apply in my lower lash line just a little bit. Now I'm gonna apply this color called Nutmeg by Artist of Makeup with a blending brush. I'm gonna apply this color in my crease. Now, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply the color Cocoa, also by Artist of Makeup. I'm gonna apply it on top of this black eyeshadow base, just a little bit. These eyeshadows are so pigmented and awesome. I go blending, and this will create a beautiful gradient. And now for the fun part, I'm gonna apply the glitter. For this, I'm gonna use this eyelash glue by Velour Lashes. And the glitter that I'm using is Reflect Spiral by MAC. On top of the Reflects Pure, I'm gonna apply this Reflects Gold, also by MAC. Now I'm gonna apply my fake lashes. This is the style Claudia by Huda Beauty. And now it's time for blush. I'm gonna apply this one, which is the color Snail Bunny by Too Faced. I love this blush. This. And now for my lips, I'm gonna apply the liquid lipstick by Lime Crime. This is the color Wicked. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram and also subscribe here in my channel. Give a thumbs up if you like it, and I see you in my next videos.